Standard College. Connect with the network of success. Pride of the Standard College.
The Standard Girls College, a trusted name for the bright future of your child.
Admission open. MSc IT, MSc Zoology, Mathematics, Physics, Mass Communication, MCom, MBA.
With the honor of first position in MSc IT, all the words of praise go to my college that wonderfully turned me into a shining star in the world of education.
MA English, Islamic Studies, Education, Economics.
I am Aisha Jamil, the pride of my college. Alhamdulillah, I got second position with silver medal on intermediate level in Gujranwala board.
BS Zoology, Botany, Chemistry, Physics, Maths, BS Information Technology, Computer Science, English, Economics, Fine Arts.
The Standard College, flight to achievement and distinction. So connect yourself with the network of success.
BSc, BA, BCom.
The pride of my college. I got first position in MCom from Punjab University. I think Standard College is the best place to make a person.
The Standard Girls College, Paris Road, Boys Campus, Circular Road, Hajipura Campus, Hajipura Road.